It's about that time of year again to tune up your small engines and get them ready for the season. Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to talk about small engine maintenance kits. A small engine tune-up consists of replacing parts that commonly wear out, like spark plugs, air filters, fuel filters, the oil filter if your engine has one, and changing the oil. While you can buy all the individual parts separately, a maintenance kit brings together all the parts for your specific engine. We have maintenance kits like these available for common engines from many of our different manufacturers. To find the correct maintenance kit for your engine, go to our website and type in your model number. The site will show you if a kit is available for your engine. Once you receive your maintenance kit, doing the tune-up is easy. How easy? Let me show you. So I have my tune-up kit. I'll open it up. Inside, we have a new spark plug, a bottle of oil, an air filter, and an instruction sheet. The first thing I'll do is change the oil. I'll use a pan to drain the oil into. I'll remove the dipstick and tip the mower on its side so the oil drains into the pan. Now I'll add the new oil. It won't necessarily use the entire bottle, so I'll add some and then check the level with the dipstick. Just a little bit more. That looks good. Now I'll change the spark plug. I'll remove the spark plug wire and the plug. Before I install the new plug, I need to check the gap. For this mower, the gap between electrodes should be 30 thousandths of an inch. It's just a little bit wide. That looks good. And last, I'll replace the air filter. And that's really how easy it is to do a tune-up using a maintenance kit. So go to our website to find the right maintenance kit for all of your small engines.